Morning, guys. We here November 11th. It's late morning. We shooting this video today to really make some content for my Instagram channel. The not channel page. I'm marketing the bot. Trying to Hey, anybody who watching this video, if you guys are good at video editing, probably marketing. I can't pay much because right now the profits I'm making is like dollar a day. But it's the profit. I could probably pay you guys like I don't know, $2 a day or something. Not a day, $2 US per edit or market or whatever. We'll work somehow. You'll just get in contact with me. I need help. It's a solo mission I'm doing here. So guys, this video today is to do the final breakdown on the line here. I know I did it like twice already on the channel, but just to clarify it, I make some content. I'm gonna show a back test, how it actually works, what it does, the logic, and then we're gonna go through like the account right now, and then coming down to the end of the video when I done discuss what I had to discuss, I'll leave the entire backtest up and just fast forward it so you guys could watch it. So the video might be long, but I won't be talking for long. So the Bitcoin Lion Bitcoin is averaging 1% a day. And why I want to raise capital is because if it's averaging 1% a day, like 1% of $100 is a dollar. That's why I'm telling you guys making like a dollar a day. Whereas 1% of 10K, would be $100. So that's why I really want to raise capital. Besides that, there's the mutual fund where you guys could invest with me. There's one other investor right now. Those guys, they ain't holding right now. So when they do, we'll have a good capital. The Bitcoin currently in drawdown because I had $100 sitting in my account on my Binance and I studied like where to put it, and I studied to open because currently the AUD USD, the AUD USD is also doing 0.03% because it hit one take profit for the entire month so far. And then there was a deposit on it. Other investor, he deposited 125, and basically how the algorithm works, it has certain levels because of the balance, so it's auto compounding. So it's not gonna hit a TP till probably like the end of the month or probably next month. So I'm not really fighting up, and then I was gonna put 100 on USD CAD because that's the next one on the portfolio. Then I was studying to put it on Bitcoin because Bitcoin currently not drawdown. I'll show you guys the drawdown right now. Alright, so I make me small. Do stick. Alright, guys, stop there just now, guys. Bear with me. Testing. US Tech. Testing. Yeah, the Bitcoin is currently in a little drawdown. As you can see here, we got sell from quite up here. Oh my god, what's going on? Right. Trades. Well, not sells, buys. Yeah, we have buys from quite on top. If I go on the charts, I'll take off the history and show the levels. And then the levels will show you there's a buy here, buy here, buy. Alright, so you guys gonna understand like in a few minutes like what is actually going on here. The panda is doing panda things. It profited here. Trailing stop loss give us a victory. We're looking like we're gonna hit a stop loss here. And originally I had a sell place up here, Then it came back up and hit my trailing stop loss, but that was manual trading. So we're gonna draw down here. The AUD USD, as I say, there's buys here, but because of the balance, let's see if I can show you guys the balance. Now you can see here increase per balance, so it's almost like 100% increase in balance, so it will have to adjust and that will take time. So alright, let me dive right into the testing. Alright, so here we have the line EA. It's the master file, not the set specifically for the AUD USD, but you can see here it's on the AUD USD symbol. I made a nice little dashboard in the left corner. So it shows the time, the current ATR, which is the volatility filter I use. It shows the volatility level, the unrealized, meaning the open trades, and then the realized, is the trades that close, the profits you have, how much current buy positions open and sell, and you go to the account since inception. So if we click play, let me slow it down. Click play, right? So it's active, right? So what happened here? As soon as the bot starts, it opens. It opens a buy and sell order. So this is a grid martingale system that is designed for volatile and volatile levels, and it makes money on movement over a period of time. It does not turn off during news. It uses volatility to decipher whether to widen the grid for news and how much to widen it by. So now we run. So you would see price, right? Price is moving here. So I'm just gonna speed it up a little. Right. So right, as you can see here, buy level sells. Sells and then should be in profit, correct. Selling is in profit. Because of the spread, the profit is not as much, right? Spread, right, spread lessens down because this starts 12 o'clock in the morning. Back to starting 12 o'clock in the morning, so the spread will lessen down when market opens. So we continue to watch. Let's go on going for a while. With this EA, you don't need to know the market, know the direction the market is moving. All this is automatic. So we should be hitting another, no, not yet. Yeah. Speed this up a little bit. Right. So basically what happens here, there's grid spacing. And because the first buy order was placed at this level and price moved away by a certain amount of pips, it activates the grid, basically martingales. So you can see the first order was buy order was 0.01, second one 0.02, and it will continue to martingale until the price retraces back into the direction and takes a basket profit. Basically, the basket profit is all the trades in that direction. When it comes to a floating profit target, it takes profit, closes all trades, covers losses with profit. So we're gonna speed it up. So right now it's retracing, but it doesn't look like it's gonna fully break out. Now, why I tested it over the period of 2020 to 2025 is because this is the most volatile times in the market, and accurate data we would have at hand, seeing that COVID happened, was take place, presidents changed twice, Trump administration, tariffs, so the bot sustained itself during this period. So this is why I like testing these last 5 years to give me a true setting for the bot. So if you could watch here now, you can see it's in drawdown. Here's in floating profit. Profit is small because your account size is small. Account size is 5K. Another martingale. So now we have 3 open buys and 1 sell position. Pay attention to the the unrealized floating profit. Well, it's a loss right now. Another martingale. But don't be alarmed. This is normal. See, as it retraces, the unrealized profit and the volatility. Volatility is high, so currently the grid is widened. And we have a nice retracement here. And you can see the date on the bottom. Started on January 1st, it's the 3rd. Started on the 1st, martingales on the 2nd, and 2 martingales on the 3rd. AUD/USD is known as a sideways pair, and it respects most market principles. So it's a safe pair, plus it's paired to gold and other metals. So it's not really volatile as would other pairs as Euro USD, GBP USD, because those pairs are um, top six pairs, major pairs, meaning it is very volatile and any simple thing in the market could move it. Now the bot makes money off a movement, but you don't want to have volatile movement. You just minus 100 pips all of a sudden, no real movement. So you can see this clearly sideways. For the last 3 days, it was sideways. So we have on the 6th another martingale. So we currently at 0.16 lots. So from the first to the 6th, no take profits. 7th here. I'll just speed it up. Another martingale. See, price sold. Some world event. It's on sales. So up around here, no, not yet. Should be another martingale coming. Now all this risk is calculated based on balance size, so do not be alarmed. Yes, is a floating minus 400, but it's okay. I've tested the bot, and well, you guys read all the reports. If you're not new to the channel, if you're new to the channel, there are reports. You guys check my link tree. There are reports. We should see a beautiful retracement. So I'm gonna speed it up a little faster. We reach the 8th of January, 9th, 10th. We're looking bullish. Alright. So what happened there? So basically all the buys closed. You can see here all the buy symbols closed. Now if you look at the balance equity, it's 50.17. Hit its take profit. Realized profit $6. So this is how the bot works. As it retraced, it closed all the trades according to the floating profit. Now the target is $20, but because market moves while it's closing and there's input latency, you might get exact 20. Sometimes you might get between $17 to $25. So sometimes it works in your favor, sometimes it doesn't, but that's the optimal setting. And then if we speed it up, so the take profit happened on the 10th, 10 days after inception. Martingale. Martingale. So if you guys remember from the earlier videos, I explained how a grid system works. Well, my Lion grid system. Currently working on another, and see there? Nice green candle, closed, retracement. Just here was clearly a world event, so something happened on that day. And again, all orders closed. Profit $34. Sorry guys. So that's that. So we're gonna go across to the silver now. You can see it live in action here. But here, so currently we're on a nice little drawdown. The account, I'm not worried. These things happen all the time. The account, it hit a take profit just now. Yeah, it did hit a take profit just now. Yeah, just hit a take profit. 3, 6. Yeah, it's a take profit just now. But yeah, guys. So currently Bitcoin is in a downtrend. One retracement it takes. It had a retracement earlier. I don't know if I could show you guys, but was just missed it. And if you see here, it had a retracement, but not enough. Needed to go here at the key level of about 4730. Missed it by $50. So sell still is the play, but again we don't need market direction. The Bitcoin is volatile, which is why you see this balance would not exceed certain amounts. So how I'm operating this account, I'm basically every time the bot makes 50% profit, I'm withdrawing half of the profit and leaving it to run. So within 3 withdrawals, I should be break even, and after it's only profit. So I want to get that account to $200 and then profit from it. It's currently running for the start of the month. It's going far well. We up 22% so far. Max drawdown was 5%. If you check 2%, the drawdown right now is probably like 10% or 8% around that. So yeah. So well guys, that was the Lion E. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave this running so you guys can see it here in real time. What happens, how the trades when the balance increases, how the trades start to open its base lot size, which is this, at bigger lot sizes. And alright, this is the content for the day. Try to keep it short, or talk for about 20 minutes. So don't worry, I'll speed it up, and this video should not be longer than 30 minutes to be honest. So guys, stay tuned. There will be my link tree in the channel description. Or see, however, I'm new to the YouTube, you guys know. I've only been here since June, and I still don't understand because I need help. Crying out for help. So, guys, stay tuned. Stay present. I'll see you guys soon.